Growing up in New Jersey and being from Polish immigrants, we had a soup that we loved and we ate religiously, which is called szczaw. And I've tried to grow it here, but it just doesn't grow the same way at all as it does in New Jersey. In New Jersey, it would grow 5 feet tall, and I could run it over with a lawnmower, and it would be 6 feet tall the next day. But anyway, I'm looking here at these, and this is szczaw, or you call it sorrel, and you could tell from these seed heads that this is indeed szczaw. And then if you look down here, the leaves are tiny compared to the ones that we had in New Jersey, which were similar to maybe like lettuce leaves, or let's say like a mesclun mix, arugula or something. So these are, you can call it sour grass. Yeah. Really delicious. And you put them in your salads, and they're wonderful. I think they're also, they have healing properties for, say, like holistic cancer treatments, along with other herbs, natural herbs. Anyway, we didn't want to cut it down because we thought maybe we would eat it, but really nobody's eating it, so I really should just collect all these seeds. See how little these leaves are? It would take a lot to make a soup or a salad. Anyway, goes on forever. Lots of sorrel.